In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on StoryGraph. First, open the StoryGraph app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and tap on the Community icon. This will bring you to the Community section of the app. Here, you'll see a search box. Tap on it to begin searching. You can search for someone by typing in either their username or their email address. For demonstration purposes, I'm entering a random username and then tapping the search button. The app will now show you a list of users that match the name you've entered. If you don't see the person you're looking for, try using their email instead, as that can help you locate them more precisely. Once you find the user, tap on their username to open their profile. On their profile page, tap the Follow button. After you tap it, the button will change to Following, which means you are now following that user. From now on, their activity and book updates will start appearing on your community page. You can explore this by tapping View All and then selecting Newsfeed to see what books they're currently reading or have already read. It's also important to note that when you follow someone, they can't notice it. This is because the platform is designed to focus on reading and book tracking rather than social networking. And that's how you follow someone on StoryGraph.